We're Immobiliser fit, and this is a 2016 Toyota Hilux that's already been attempted. They smashed the window on this once, but luckily abandoned it down the road and the customer got it back. So we've gone for a Starline alarm system and Immobiliser. So it uses the factory key to arm and disarm. So when it's locked, we get one bleep, one flash, and the vehicle's secure. If it's hit, lifted, or moved, they open any of the doors, the system's going to trigger, the alarm's going to go off. If they've programmed a key, done a relay attack, gone to steal the vehicle, they're going to disarm the system using the key, get the vehicle started, but as soon as they go to drive it away, pop it into gear, the vehicle's going to cut out and it's going nowhere. So if the customer wants to try and drive this, obviously they don't want that to happen, they can start it. This blue LED up here means the vehicle's immobilised, the system's active. That's going to stay solid until you confirm that it's you. So we have a nice simple code of 1, 2, 3 that obviously is going to change. We receive a double bleep, double flash, and the vehicle's now disarmed and we can drive away. When we turn the vehicle off, the system activates straight away and your car's secure. If they grab the key and went to drive away, it's going to be immobilised, and you simply lock and unlock, arm and disarm using the factory key. This is a 2016 Toyota Hilux. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.